How to add to a wish list on Temu. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save products for later purchase on Temu. So to get started, you need to open the Temu app on your mobile device. Then scroll down and select any product from here. Now select any desired color of your product and tap on the heart icon at the top. As you can see, our product has been added to the wish list. Now go back and repeat the same process with another product. Tap on any product. Here, tap on the heart icon to add the product in the wish list. Then go back and tap on You. Here, tap on Wishlist. From here, you can see your product has been added to your wish list. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.